The Xiamen Sunrui factory covers a vast area of 21,384 square meters. As a level 3.5 intelligent manufacturing factory integrating digital process, automated logistics, automated production line, and integrated supply chain, the company owns the world's first dedicated production line focusing on high-end marine environmental protection equipment. For each year, the workshop can produce in total 100 sets of clean energy fuel gas supply systems, 30 sets of carbon capture systems, and 20 sets of seawater desalination treatment systems. The company has successfully built stainless steel pipe prefabrication production line, integrated with intelligent cutting, grinding, and welding, and an automated execution of instruction and parameter through the information platform. The production line achieves a high degree of automation, manpower reduction by 75%, stable and uniform product quality, efficiency rising by 200%. Each unit is equipped with an electronic board to display the production capacity and equipment status in real time to provide strong data support for the continuous production optimization. The production process is clear at a glance. The workshop has independent flaw detection capability. All welding parts are applied with 100% weld flaw detection and semi-automatic pickling passivation treatment. An automated pressure testing system integrated with advanced information technology has been built in the factory to ensure the safety and accuracy of the pressure test. Through the WMS, three-dimensional warehouse, AGV, and intelligent scheduling algorithm, the factory can achieve automatic receiving, warehousing, and distribution. The 3D warehouse has 9,872 cargo locations, and 3D visualization function provides intuitive and dynamic visual support for warehouse management. Assembly, pressure, inspection stations satisfy the production requirements of LNG, FGSS, ammonia AFSS, carbon capture system, seawater desalination system, and other similar products to achieve high flexibility of the production line. Xiamen Sunrui Intelligent Manufacturing Factory, future leader of the industry.